are back in the 75205 Highland Park, Texas, one of the most expensive zip codes in all of the United States. Today we have a special treat for you, a Spanish Mediterranean, and it's located right on the Katy Trail. So if you like to bike, if you like to walk your dogs, this is an amazing property. It features a pool and many other amenities. Let's go take a look. So as you enter this home, one of the first things you'll notice is this absolutely incredible office. So if you're someone that enjoys studying, getting work done, look at how high these ceilings are and how many books you can fit in here. You might just feel like you're back at Harvard studying for the bar. Notice more of the Spanish Mediterranean features in this home: curved archways, tray ceilings, inlaid lighting. Relax after a long day in this beautiful master retreat. Kick your shoes off. Look at the gorgeous brick inlaid wall, the high ceilings with the wood beams, and the view. Not only do you get to oversee the Katy Trail, you also have a nice cityscape to enjoy after a long day. His and hers vanities, farmhouse tub, and a rain shower. Everything he and he, she and she, or he and her would ever want in their master retreat. Romeo, oh Romeo, where art thou, Romeo? If you've ever wanted a Romeo and Juliet balcony, all of your dreams have just come true. As we head out to the pool, enjoy bonfires with your family and friends, watch games around the TV, huge pool, hot tub, deck, plenty of space for entertaining with your friends and family, and an additional structure overlooking the Katy Trail. If this were your home, how would you decorate this patio? So if you lived here, what would you put out here? Loungers, a table? How would you decorate it? So when you're not closing deals indoors, you come out here and relax and get some holes in one. Is that what they say in golf? Well, it's a putting green, your own personal putting green, just below your pool deck. Something that's very popular here in Highland Park, Texas, is to have an additional structure that you can rent out to an SMU student. Some families that live here do not live here full time, so it's nice to have someone that you can trust to overlook the property. And also you're helping out a student. So this particular home comes complete with a 2-bedroom, kitchen, and living room, so that you, if you wanted to rent it to an SMU student, could easily do so.